Today we're going to be making a sterling silver swirl pendant with a Labradorite gemstone. All of these materials can be bought as a project kit by clicking on the link in the description. Place the wire on a heat-proof block. Using a hand blowtorch, move the flame up and down the wire until the wire gently glows red. Leave the wire to cool a little, then use tweezers to pick up the wire and quench in water. Add the wire to a warm safety pickle solution. Rest one end of the wire against your bench peg and file the end until it is straight and smooth. Use half-round pliers to grip the end of the wire and begin to bend the wire into a curve. Ensure that the middle of the spiral has a large enough space for your bezel cup to sit. Using a pen or scribe, mark out any excess wire that you want to cut off. Use your needle files and emery sticks to smooth the end of the wire. Place your spiral on a steel block and use your ball-peen hammer or craft hammer to hit the spiral all over until the spiral is completely textured. Take one silver oval jump ring and cut it in half. You could cut it using your piercing saw or you could use pliers. File those ends as the cutters can squish the ends. Add a little solder paste to where the bezel cup touches the spiral. Place the silver spiral on a heat-proof block and place the bezel cup so it's touching the curve of the spiral. Add a little solder paste to both ends of the jump ring and ensure they are touching the spiral. Heat the spiral with a blowtorch until the solder melts and flows. Leave the pendant to cool a little before quenching in water using tweezers, then add to a warm pickle solution for 5 minutes or until clean. Remove from the solution using plastic tweezers. Open an oval jump ring, thread the open jump ring through the half jump ring at the top of the spiral pendant. Close the jump ring, place on a heat-proof block and add a little solder paste to the join on the jump ring. Using a blowtorch, heat the jump ring until the solder melts and flows. Leave the pendant to cool a little before quenching in water. Add to a warm pickle solution for 5 minutes or until clean. When clean and dry, use an emery stick to remove any excess solder. Polish the spiral pendant using a silver polishing cloth. Place the stone in the bezel cup. Using the bezel pusher, push the silver over the stone in the bezel cup. Rub the burnisher around the silver bezel cup to smooth the silver. Thread the silver chain through the jump ring. If you like this project, you can buy all the materials on the Cooksongold website.